Hello everyone, I am Devranjani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the issue of alarm didn't go off on your Android phone. Here's how to fix it. If you use your Android phone as an alarm clock and it fails to go off, what can you do? Here are some possible fixes to try. Fortunately, this issue is easy to resolve and often happens because of minor tweaks in the settings. Here are some things to try if your Android alarm didn't go off. First is restart your phone. As with any problem with smartphones, the first thing to try is to reboot your device. This helps in a couple of ways. Next, check the alarm volume and tone. All you need to do is press the volume increase or decrease button and the slider will pop up on top of your screen. Tapping the downward arrow right beside the slider will prompt open the volume drop down menu displaying options like alarm, media, system, etc. Next is clear the clock app cache. To clear the cache and data for the clock app, tap on settings, apps, clock. Alternatively, long pressing the clock app on your phone screen and selecting app info also does the trick. Whichever way you decide, your next move is to select storage, clear cache, and this should ensure your Android alarm works again. Reset preferences for the clock app. To reset the preferences, launch settings and then tap on system. From there, select reset options and confirm. If you want to know more details, please check out our Gossip Funda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.